these are the bits that I intend to weather. Mainly at the moment it's going to be the canteen bottle holder there, and also the braces that I've got, which are going to fit to my M1 Garand belt. As you can see here, there's a comparison with the Thompson magazine pouch on the right and the rucksack on the left. The one on the right has not been weathered yet, and the rucksack has been. Also, the M1 Garand belt I did a few days ago, you can see that there's a bit of stainage there that makes it look a lot more worn and dirty. The way that I did this, quite simply, was tea staining. Add some warm water. As soon as you've done that, we're going to throw the used tea bags in. So next thing you need to do is put your items in there. This is the Thompson bag that I'm putting in. First of all, I'm going to completely submerge it, so we get a bit of colour in there, and then literally in about 20 minutes time I'm going to come back out, and then I'm going to put it at certain angles to make sure that I get the different shades on there. The items have been in there for about 20 minutes now, so we're going to take them out, we're going to dry them, and then after they're dry we're going to assess how they look and then place them in at different angles to get the wavy effect of the dirt on them.